Here we go. Here we are. 6 miles. That's hot. Dust and sin, baby. Coach, get it, Coach, get it. Phoenix, Arizona, coming in Wellington. No. My little stool. Enough to lick my lips. I gotta get some water. Understand? Eastbound. Fuck you. My town. My pain. Way ride or die. If you dig deep. If you dig deep. Every day. Cool. And more importantly, some shade right up here. That's when you're in the desert. You gotta find shelter wherever you can. Enjoy that tunnel. Thank you. Long dirt roads. Roads in the desert. Oh, like right into the swamp. Just gonna ride right into it. 105 miles to Phoenix. Well, I'm going to Phoenix. 90. Very, very, very long road ahead. Ride or die. Ride or die. It's gonna make it to Phoenix at least in the Sherpa. I've never been. Gila Banda, Mexico, Arizona, 44 miles. Let's go.